Can you bust one hair care myth?
As a man, I can tell you that a lot of men don't even use conditioner. They feel कि shampoo कर लिया मतलब हो गया.
Meet Dhruv Sayani, the driving force behind Sigma Lifestyle Private Limited. He's also the founder of KT Professional, India's first salon-approved keratin protein hair care brand, reaching over 27,000 salons across 86 cities. Dhruv's innovative approach to natural, vegan and cruelty-free products has made KT Professional a leader in the Indian beauty industry. In today's conversation, we explore his journey of bringing hair care to center stage in India. सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जो लोग बिलीव करते हैं वो है कि भाई केमिकल से जो है बाल खराब हो रहे हैं. ये जो केमिकल्स होते हैं ये एग्जैक्टली कौन से केमिकल्स होते हैं?
देखो, हेयर डाइज और हेयर कलर्स में तो केमिकल्स होते ही हैं. पैराबीन्स और सल्फेट्स की बात करें.
पैराबेन्स क्या होते हैं?
इज बेसिकली एन इंग्रेडिएंट दैट इज यूज्ड इन मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट क्रिएट लेदर. एंड पहले कहावत थी कि झाग बन रहा है तो बाल साफ हो रहा है. एक्चुअली झाग बन रहा है, बाल डैमेज हो रहा है.
The perception that people have towards hair care, how has that changed over the last say 5 or 10 years?
आज से 10 साल पहले छवि, इफ यू वुड वॉक इनटू अ सैलून and you saw a man doing manicure pedicure, you would think of it differently.
Yeah.
Today it's normal, we all are doing
Absolutely
it.
normal. Yeah.
Now we're calling it hygiene. Today you look at your summers, temperatures are soaring, people can't step out of their home. So these are factors that sun damage is a real concern today.
True.
SPF has become a conversation कि now it is important. पहले it was a part of protection, today is a part of necessity. तो जो चीज़ें पहले एक लग्जरी मानी जाती थी आज नेसेसिटी में कन्वर्ट होना स्टार्ट हो चुका है.
Did you ever feel कि making the consumer aware that your hair is a separate different kind of hair type and hence you need a different product, that kind of awareness building took some time and effort?
In India, we are a country within a country. हर 100 किलोमीटर्स में जब आपकी रीजनल लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है,
Yeah.
हर 100 किलोमीटर्स में आपका खाने का ढंग चेंज हो जाता है, आपके कपड़े पहनने का ढंग चेंज हो जाता है, वर्किंग स्टाइल्स चेंज. हाउ कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट
The
a
same
single
product.
product
Correct,
to
absolutely.
serve every need of the country because of the diversity?
हम लोग देखते हैं कि भाई बच्चे की ये एज है उसकी डाइट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होनी चाहिए, बट हेयर केयर के बारे में उतनी बात होती नहीं है.
So I'm happy to share with you today that we've also launched a brand called KT Kids,
Okay.
which is solving this problem for the age group of 3 to 13.
You think children need separate kind of products?
Absolutely.
And
I'll
why is
ask-
that? Hi, welcome to the sets of Candid Confession.
Oh, I'm slouching.
Hi Dhruv.
Hi Chavi, how are you?
Welcome to Candid Confessions.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
I'm very impressed by your whole journey and what you have built with KT Professional. It's really, really very commendable. But before we get into your journey as a founder and as somebody who's actually created history, I want to ask you one question. Can you bust one hair care myth before we start talking about anything else?
Well, that's a very interesting question. Two things. I think history is still in the making to begin with because we're still on a very long journey to create something that India can resonate with, in the years to come as well. And myth की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो there are many myths that are going on around hair care. Firstly, I feel that people are still not, a lot of people still have a question on conditioner. Is conditioner really required or no? As a man, I can tell you that a lot of men don't even use conditioner. They feel कि shampoo कर लिया मतलब हो गया. So how important is conditioning is a conversation that people are still, I think, educating themselves about. Another myth that goes around is, if you've just done shampoo, you're good. But that's not the case because given the way that water and weather, जो इंडिया में इतना बदल रहा है, you need to also upgrade your hair care regime and routine. एंड वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
यू आर सेइंग कि हेयर केयर रूटीन जो है वो सीजन्स के हिसाब से चेंज होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. आप मुझे
कहाँ रह रहे हैं उस हिसाब से चेंज होनी चाहिए.
101%. आप मुझे बताइए, वी आर इन अक्टूबर, बारिश अभी भी गिर रही है मुंबई में. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली नॉन सीजनल. अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ों की बात करें, देन टिपिकली एक कहावत है कि द सीजन ऑफ बारिश एंड्स विद गणेश चतुर्थी, व्हिच इज़ बिन अ वाइल. एंड लास्ट ईयर का रिकॉर्ड देखें तो रेन्स वर ऑन टिल दिवाली. एंड इफ़ यू रिमेंबर मे ऑफ दिस ईयर, on one very hot day of May of this year, we had the highest rainfall. So I think कि ये जो चीज़ें हो रही है, global warming is real, climate changes are real. AQI levels and pollution levels की अगर हम बात करें, 5 years ago, there was no conversation around it. Today, Bombay की बात करो, दिल्ली की बात करो, and major cities की बात करो, AQI levels is a concern. And all of this doesn't only have an impact on your well-being, but also overall on your hair and skin. Because these are important factors that we need to account for now, and therefore change our routine to account for these factors. And इसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा जो प्रभाव पड़ता है वो है प्रोटीन का.
Okay.
And 95% of your hair छवि is made up of keratin protein when you're born. जब आप जन्म लेते हो. And जैसे आपकी उम्र बढ़ती है आपके बालों का पोषण कम होता है. The reason for the lack of protein or depleting protein is water conditions, hard water, boring का पानी, tanker का पानी that comes into the best homes, salty water which is a real problem. उसके अलावा and that's the water with which we shower, right? So that's directly impacting our hair quality. Second is weather conditions we just spoke about. Third is again use of colors and chemicals which also do have a damaging factor to a certain extent. Use of heat products. I mean, our human body can't tolerate 40 degrees of heat. But हम हमारे बालों को 180 डिग्री 200 डिग्री दे रहे हैं.
Oh my God, I just curled my hair with 210 degrees.
So there is these are factors which are part of our styling today, and these are damaging our protein levels. नहीं तो आप मुझे बताइए that why is it that you see a very young India today that is dealing with the problem of early graying of hair.
Yeah.
पहले ग्रेइंग की बात करें, बॉल्डिंग पैटर्न की बात करें तो वो एक कहावत थी, इट वुड बी इन दादाजी के ज़माने में, पोस्ट 50, पोस्ट 55. टुडे अर्ली ग्रे हेयर्स एज अर्ली एज 17. बॉल्डिंग पैटर्न्स आर बीइंग सीन इन द अर्ली 20s. 30s, 35s तक तो you're seeing people partially bald or semi-bald. People looking at transplant and hair patches at a very early age. तो ये जो चीज़ें 50 में हो रही थी आज अगर 25 में हो रही है, we've come 2.5 decades back. And that's the conversation that needs to take place.
Talking about so many factors, I did some studies on use of chemicals because I think सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जो लोग believe करते हैं वो है कि भाई chemicals से जो है बाल खराब हो रहे हैं. There was a study done in the year 2022 which said straightening agents, heat styling and dyes etc. इनकी वजह से हेयर शाफ्ट को भी डैमेज होता है एंड इट्स ऑल्सो अ कॉज ऑफ हेयर फॉल और हेयर लॉस. एंड 56.5% पार्टिसिपेंट्स क्लेम दैट दे एक्सपीरियंस्ड हेयर फॉल एंड 18.7% सेड दैट दे हैड हेयर लॉस. सो मैं आपसे सबसे पहले पूछना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो केमिकल्स होते हैं ये एग्जैक्टली कौन से केमिकल्स होते हैं जो इतना नुकसान बालों को पहुँचा सकते हैं?
तो देखो हेयर डाइज और हेयर कलर्स में तो केमिकल्स होते ही हैं. अमोनिया इज़ अ कॉन्वर्सेशन जो वी आर ऑल अवेयर ऑफ दैट अमोनिया इज़ अ डैमेजिंग केमिकल जब जो हेयर कलर में होता है. उसके अलावा पैराबीन्स और सल्फेट्स की बात करें.
पैराबीन्स क्या होते हैं? सल्फेट्स होते क्या
हैं?
सो
सल्फेट इफ आई वुड कीप इट एक्सट्रीमली easy on science is basically an ingredient that is used in most of the products that create leather और हिंदी में बोले झाग. So sulfate is also used in your washing powder. Sulfate is also used in your कपड़े धोने का powder. And sulfate is also used in certain ordinary shampoos. And वो sulfate से बालों को damage हो रहा है because you're using chemical in a way to just wash off your hair. And पहले कहावत थी कि झाग बन रहा है तो बाल साफ हो रहा है. Actually झाग बन रहा है, बाल डैमेज हो रहा है.
Okay.
So that is really what sulfates are. So I think there's been a strong education now. A lot of people still don't know what sulfate is, but इतना लोग बोलते हैं कि शैम्पू सल्फेट फ्री होना चाहिए. That people have started understanding or asking.
So ever since I started going to a hair doctor, एक चीज़ उन्होंने मुझे बोल दी है कि शैम्पू वो यूज़ करो जो सल्फेट फ्री हो. तो मैं भी अभी लेबल पढ़ने बैठ गई हूँ कि भाई सल्फेट फ्री. पर आप बोल रहे हो सल्फेट एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिससे झाग बनता है शैम्पू.
Yes.
तो ये कहना सेफ होगा कि जिस शैम्पू में झाग बन रहा है उसमें सल्फेट है ही है?
नो, दैट्स अ रॉन्ग कॉनोटेशन. ये कहना सही नहीं होगा बिकॉज सल्फेट या झाग जो है इट इज़ ऑल्सो क्लेंजिंग. एज यू रिंस एंड क्लेंस देयर इज गोइंग टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ लेदर. बट इफ यू सी सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पूज विच आई एम श्योर यू आर यूजिंग, द क्वांटिटी ऑफ लेदर इज ड्रामेटिकली लो. And because substitute ingredients are being used instead that are either natural, derived from plants, derived from vegetables or fruits, which also become cleansing agents.
Okay.
And I feel that that's really where we are seeing a big difference. And उसके अलावा climatic conditions के साथ साथ adapt करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Today we live in Mumbai, high humidity that leads to frizz. Frizz is a very common problem in where we are, and because of the heat and stuff like that. So you can leave your home looking great, and when you come home in the evening, your hair is looking like a mess thanks to the humidity.
Yeah.
You go down to you go up North India, आप दिल्ली जाएंगे, there is an excessive use of hair color. I think there is a big trend in Delhi for coloring of hair, larger than most of the other cities, and then that leads to a lot of color damage that does come in, and therefore color protection is an important thing. वहाँ से आप 100 kilometers दूर पंजाब जाइए, dry weather conditions that lead to sensitive scalp and sensitive hair, that requires a different conversation and a solution. Many parts of India, use of mehendi on hair is still a very common trend. henna या मेहंदी बालों में लगाते हैं, उससे बहुत सारा hair damage होता है.
अच्छा.
People with mehendi hair will have thinner hair quality and texture. That requires a right solution around it, which is a conversation that needs to take place. And जैसे मैंने कहा, पानी की problem तो है ही, hard water and boring का पानी, and the alkalinity of water is something that is definitely a concern as well. So these factors जो change हो रहे हैं छवि, I think that's where we are now adapting to these changes, and there needs to be a product that will go on addressing this. And see, in India, we're a country within a country. हर 100 किलोमीटर्स में जब आपकी रीजनल लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है,
Yeah.
हर 100 किलोमीटर्स में आपका खाने का ढंग चेंज हो जाता है, आपके कपड़े पहनने का ढंग चेंज हो जाता है. So when working styles change, when we go from one state to another, and when these are the changes in India, of course, how can we expect
The
a
same
single product
Correct.
to
Absolutely.
serve every need of the country because of the diversity?
तो अभी ये मैं प्रॉब्लम अपनी बेटी के साथ देखती हूँ. शी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अ टीन नाउ, and she has very long hair, and this is obsession with long hair that she has, but she doesn't know how to care for her hair. ठीक है, तो शैम्पूज मुझे बोलती है मुझे बड़ी बॉटल आप ला के दो शैम्पू की, मेरे जो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. सो आई ऑर्डर हर लाइक अ बिग ह्यूज बॉटल ऑफ शैम्पू विच वुड हैव probably lasted me a year, but she finished it in a month. And it was paraben free and whatever all natural that I could find in the market for her. And her excuse was कि इसमें झाग ही नहीं बनता, तो मुझे बहुत यूज़ करना पड़ता है. तो इज़ इट ट्रू कि झाग नहीं बन रहा है तो आपको ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करना चाहिए ताकि आप that much more jhag you can make to wash your hair?
So I feel it's also the way we've been tuned and accustomed to a certain feel, right? It's also a feel and psychological feel towards it. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ज़्यादा यूज़ करना पड़ता है, हम ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इतने साल तक हमको एक पैटर्न रही है, वो पैटर्न जब चेंज हो जाती है, आवर बॉडी इज लुकिंग और आवर ह्यूमन सिस्टम आर लुकिंग फॉर द सेम पैटर्न टू कम बैक इन. तो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई शी मे बी यूजिंग मोर. आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट ऑन द प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट प्रोडक्ट इट इज, बट इतना मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा दैट एज लॉन्ग एज शी इज सीइंग एन इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द हेयर क्वालिटी, दैट इज व्हाट विल मैटर.
Okay.
अगर उसने 1 महीने में बॉटल खत्म की या 2 महीने में की, बट आफ्टर यूजिंग इट इफ शी सीइंग दैट हर हेयर क्वालिटी, टेक्सचर, मॉइस्चर एंड हेल्थ इज इम्प्रूविंग, दोज आर द आउटकम्स दैट वन हैज टू मेजर.
ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप मतलब आई एम अज्यूमिंग एंड यू करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग कि कुछ तो केमिकल्स होते होंगे इन प्रोडक्ट्स में भी. तो कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो, कौन से केमिकल्स हैं जो सेफ होते हैं यूज़ करने के लिए?
See, chemicals, one of the most important things that there are certain generic chemicals जो products में रहते ही है, but you have to find out a very fine difference between what is safe on hair and what is harmful in the long run. तो वहाँ पे वो चेंज ऑफ थॉट और चेंज ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी ज़रूरी है. 100% नेचुरल जो चीज़ होती है फिर उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ उतनी नहीं होती है, बिकॉज एनीथिंग दैट इज 100% नेचुरल, देयर आर मेनी ब्रांड्स दैट डू दैट, बट देन दे हैव अ शॉर्ट शेल्फ लाइफ, मतलब उसकी एक्सपायरी हो जाएगी 1 महीने में, 2 महीने में. स्किन केयर में देयर आर मेनी ब्रांड्स दैट आर डूइंग दिस, बट देन यू हैव टू इमीडिएटली कंज्यूम द प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइक लिटरली स्ट्रेट ऑफ of the oven. तो वो चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए you to find a fine balance, and certain preservatives do exist. आज food में exist करते हैं, forget hair. Food में तो there's a big conversation around ये तो हम external लगा रहे, वो तो internal जा रहा है system में. So there are certain things that are there given the fact that they need to exist, but to a large extent when you use natural substitutes for it, you see a much more impactful result. And कई बार natural products में आपको result तुरंत नहीं मिलता.
ओके,
आपको उसके रिजल्ट 15-20 दिन, 1 महीने, 2 महीने बाद मिलेंगे, एज यू फॉलो द रेजिम एंड द रूटीन दैट प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्स यू टू डू विद द इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट इट हैज़, विच इज़ द नेचुरल वे ऑफ इम्प्रूविंग. आज मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि टुडे अगर आपका शुगर लेवल लो होता है तो उसको ठीक करने के 2 तरीके हैं. दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू इमीडिएटली गेट वेल, यू विल गो टू द हॉस्पिटल, पुट अ ग्लूकोज syringe or and get yourself into better condition, or alternatively you will start eating anything that is high on sugar and gradually improve your sugar levels. So options are there for everybody.
Right.
You want an immediate surgical solution, or you want a more slow but a better way to deal with it. So I think, and today we all are living in a very busy life. People sometimes want immediate results. एक तो competition हम हमारे साथ ही करते हैं as humans कई बार, and this is a part of human life. So I feel it's important कि how one takes their decisions on products, and as a company अगर मैं बात करूँ, our job is to communicate and ensure that हमारी जो thought process है, हमारा जो विजन बोर्ड है, हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स का साइंस है, वो लोगों तक पहुँचे. एंड आई फील दैट इज़ व्हाट KT हैज़ बीन डूइंग over the last 5 years, and we've been able to communicate this, which is why we've seen a deep penetration of the product in tier 3, tier 4 India. और जब आप आपकी बेटी की बात करते हो, So I'm happy to share with you today that we've also launched a brand called KT Kids,
Okay.
which is solving this problem for the age group of 3 to 13,
Okay.
which is a age group which I feel jahan pe mothers are struggling with the right products for their children.
Well, you think children need separate kind of products?
Absolutely.
And why is that?
I'll ask you a question. Why is 13 called teenage?
Because teen?
हाँ वो teen, that is
Besides that, you tell me.
So that is the age at which children hit puberty.
Yes.
Right? Which is why it is, we look at it as teenage. But today, puberty is not hitting at the age of 13. Puberty is hitting at the age of 9 and 10.
True.
Girls are experiencing menstrual cycles at the age of 9 and 10. It's become that early. We've come back by 4 years. Hormonal changes are happening at the age of 9 and 10. So your skin outbreaks and hair outbreaks are happening that early. So there has to be a conversation around that and a product that understands this change and is, making these changes happen. Now, pimples don't happen at your and my age.
Correct.
It starts at that age. Lice doesn't happen at your and my age. It starts at that age. The first set of dandruff will begin at that age, which is dry scalp. What is dandruff? Dry scalp. So dryness वहाँ से शुरू होती है, and then you kind of see that trend. Either you end up living with it,
Okay.
or then maybe you kind of sometimes deal with it at a later age के due to a certain climatic change या आप कोई नई जगह locate हो गए हो या ये है तो आपकी scalp dry हो सकती है. But otherwise, speaking, it is either hereditary or something that is happening at a very early age. तो ये चीज़ों को who's conversing? And that gap of 3 to 13, kai baar I know, my own niece, and this is last year before KT Kids was launched, I saw that she's using her mother's color protect shampoo. अभी जब आप 12 साल की उम्र में आपके बाल colored नहीं है, why using your mother's color protect shampoo? ये अभी भी एक thought process है कि घर में एक ही bottle है जो पूरा घर use कर रहा है. But that's incorrect. And I feel that's because each and every age group has a different set of problems that you need to deal with. और ये आपने भी देखा होगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. और आप ये सब बातें जो कह रहे हैं बालों के बारे में, आई थिंक इतना बालों को कोई थॉट देता नहीं है. न्यूट्रिशन को सब थॉट देते हैं. आप जनरल हेल्थ जैसे प्यूबर्टी की आप बात करें तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि भाई बच्चे की ये एज है, उसकी डाइट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होनी चाहिए. बट हेयर केयर के बारे में उतनी बात होती नहीं है. बट ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द चैलेंजेस दैट यू जस्ट लिस्टेड and the damage that we are seeing, the growing numbers with which early grays are happening, hair fall is happening, hair loss is happening. When you entered this industry, weren't you scared of the sheer responsibility that you were taking on yourself?
Absolutely. I would say yes, I was. And actually, this is related to a very personal story. मेरे बाल सफ़ेद होने चालू हुए in my mid-20s.
Okay.
And when I dealt with that problem, I went down to the salon down my street and asked them that, why is my hair graying out? And he said, Dhruv, तुम्हारे बालों में keratin protein कम है. That's the first time I heard the word keratin. To understand that it is a protein, and वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई है journey की. To understand that, okay, this is a real issue. जब तक देश में बच्चा जन्म ले रहा है, 95% protein से जन्म लेगा बालों में. Till the time water and weather conditions are going to be a certain way due to global factors, global warming, it is going to create a damaging factor which needs to be spoken of. नहीं तो heat wave की बात कहाँ होती थी इंडिया में? Today, you look at your summers, temperatures are soaring, people can't step out of their homes. So, these are factors that sun damage is a real concern today.
True.
SPF has become a conversation कि now it is important. पहले it was a part of protection, today is a part of necessity. तो जो चीज़ें पहले एक luxury मानी जाती थी, आज necessity में convert होना start हो चुका है. And when I dealt with this concern, I said, okay, now I need to do this not only for me to solve this problem of protein deficiency, but also for a much larger group. And then when I looked around me, Chavi, I realized that it's not only Dhruv whose hair is graying out at the age of early 20, but a very large population and in my friend circle and larger groups that I saw, यार सबके बाल ग्रे हो रहे हैं और ये क्यों हो रहा है? And eventually, as I'm seeing that trend, today it's only proving me correct over the last 6-7 years. आज 7 साल बाद में जब मैं ट्रेंड देख रहा हूँ यही चल रहा है.
Correct.
कि ग्रेनेस बॉल्डिंग पैटर्न्स. पहले ऑन अ लाइटर नोट एक कहावत थी ना, जब घर में शादी होती है तो एक the bride's mother has one very important expectation कि दूल्हे के सर पे बाल होने चाहिए और बाल काले होने चाहिए. Right? Today जो शादियों में आप और मैं जा रहे हैं, दूल्हा is either आधा गंजा या सफ़ेद बाल वाला. These are facts.
These are facts, yeah.
Right? So when these things are happening, and today hair is also equal to confidence, Chavi. Let me tell you that. कि hair on your head, there's a large amount of population that looks at confidence levels when it comes to hair. मेरे स्किन पे 2 पिंपल होंगे ना, मेरी confidence level shake नहीं होगी. But if I will not have hair on my head or extremely low hair on my head, there is a certain factor that will shift my confidence
Absolutely.
level. This is true. So this is the sense of responsibility, and I feel that we are doing a service.
Yeah.
In a way कि हम ये चीज़ को सुधारने का एक प्रयास कर रहे हैं, एक काम कर रहे हैं, एंड टुडे व्हेन वी गॉट द लव एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल using our products pan India, I think that is sense of satisfaction to the prayas we started 5-6 years ago. And sense of responsibility ज़रूर है, adaptation करना भी ज़रूरी है. जैसे problems change हो रहे, today when we started KT, it started as a vision board to solve only one problem. Today KT is solving 18 problems in hair care, 18.
Wow.
And this can start from color damage, this can start from graying of hair, this can start from lack of moisture, dryness, your thinning of hair volume. So multiple factors that we're addressing, and now cut to today. Now we're also addressing the challenge for KT kids. Through
Right.
KT Kids, we're also addressing the challenge for kids. So I think it started as a journey, and now we're kind of building into the ecosystem to address this. We've had a lot of men writing to us to say that, okay, you have these bottles and these products, but are they only for female? Can I use it as a man? And I feel that that's again a market. Men's grooming has become a very important market
Yeah.
today. आज से 10 साल पहले, छवि, if you would walk into a salon and you saw a man doing manicure, pedicure, you would think of it differently.
Yeah.
Today, it's normal. We all are doing it.
Absolutely normal. Yeah.
Now we're calling it hygiene, right? 5 years, 6 years ago, if you would walk into a salon and you saw a man doing a facial or face cleanup, you would think of it differently. Today, it's normal and considered hygienic, right? So this shift has happened only in a decade. मैं आपको बहुत अंतर की बात नहीं बता रहा हूँ. So we today are seeing that men are also taking extra care,
Yeah.
which was something that was not seen earlier.
तो ये बताइए कि the perception that people have towards hair care, how has that changed over the last say 5 or 10 years?
Social media has made a lot of things easy, छवि. आज communication करना इतना easy हो चुका है, but also responsibility आपकी बढ़ जाती है with what you're communicating. But इतना easy हो चुका है thanks to the access of the internet, digital presence, and communication, that you can sit in Bombay and communicate with the last person sitting in a tier 4, tier 5 city who will read about you on the internet through social media handles and will be able to understand what is right and what is wrong. And ये communication करना इतना ज़रूरी हो चुका है. And those, when you ask me this question कि what are we seeing as a shift today, the shift is today consumer is become aware. Consumer cannot now get fooled into just advertisement.
Okay.
आज consumer चीज़ों को पढ़ रहा है, देख रहा है. You're taking, even if you're shopping from an e-commerce platform, you take time out to read the label.
True.
You're taking time out to read the ingredients. एक्सपायरी डेट को लेके लोग कॉन्शियस हो चुके हैं. लेबल्स पहले हम कहाँ देखते थे? वी यूज्ड टू परचेज प्रोडक्ट, इवन इफ दीज वाज सॉसेज और कंज्यूमेबल्स, हम परचेज कर रहे थे, खा रहे थे.
Correct.
फिर पता चला कि बॉस एक्सपायरी डेट कितना ज़रूरी है, उसकी प्रेजेंस होना कितना ज़रूरी है, उसकी लेबलिंग सही से होना कितना ज़रूरी है. नाउ यू हैव दैट वेज नॉन वेज लेबल विच इज़ बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑन प्रोडक्ट. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो वी आर सीइंग अ पैराडाइम शिफ्ट वेयर टुडे एज कंज्यूमर्स वी आर गेटिंग दैट एक्सेस थैंक्स टू द न्यू गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, जहाँ ये चीज़ें मैंडेटरी है, लोगों को पढ़ना ज़रूरी है और लोग अपने आप को सेल्फ एजुकेट कर रहे हैं. टुडे द गैजेट इन योर हैंड is your encyclopedia, right? वो हर एक चीज़ आप रिसर्च कर सकते हो. And today consumer is making a more informed decision because we have become a more aware society.
तो जब आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स, कोई नया कुछ आप लॉन्च करना चाहते हो, तो रिसर्च जो आप करते होंगे लैब्स में कि ये प्रोडक्ट सही है कि नहीं सही है, वो लाइक हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक फॉर यू टू डिसाइड कि हाँ ठीक है अब ये फिट है टू लॉन्च इन द मार्केट?
इसका कोई टाइम फ्रेम नहीं होता. कई बार साल भी लग सकता है, 2 साल भी लग सकते हैं, और कई बार प्रोडक्ट शेल्फ पे आएगा भी नहीं बिकॉज द रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री.
Okay.
सो व्हाइल वी डू लैब टेस्ट, आवर ओन टेस्ट, वी ऑल्सो वर्क वेरी क्लोजली विद सैलॉन्स, जहाँ पे हम प्रोडक्ट्स को भेजते हैं फॉर टेस्टिंग.
ओके.
एंड जब सैलॉन्स एक दिन में, टुडे अ सिंगल सैलॉन टुडे छवि is probably washing 30 types of different hair in a single day.
True.
And every hair is different. So when you get the efficacy report coming from on ground, how many clients are showing an improvement in hair with this product use, that is the real test that will matter. So देखो, इंडिया में 2 टाइप की कंपनियां हो सकती हैं. One is a marketing company that is only doing marketing and selling your product, that may be okay. And then second is a product company that is backed by research, powered by proteins and solving a real problem. And that of course will have a very different journey on the way you will look at it from a scalability and communication point of view. तो कई बार हमारे यहाँ ये होता है कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट लैब में 6-7 महीने 8 महीने तक रहते हैं. टेस्टिंग होती है, रिजेक्ट होते हैं, रीटेस्ट होते हैं. एंड इफ समटाइम्स यू आर टेस्टिंग 10 प्रोडक्ट्स, एक लॉन्च होगा.
Oh really?
Yeah.
But that's the kind of responsibility that you have. कभी ऐसा लगता है कि okay, जब आपने शुरुआत की थी, let's
जी.
talk about the first ever product that you launched. What was it, and what was your journey behind launching that first product?
So our very first product was a moisture related product, which also happens to be our bestseller to date.
Okay.
And an Argan series of products, which are Argan oil hydration for hair. These were initial oils and serums, shampoos and conditioners, which we launched. इसको लॉन्च करने के पीछे रीज़न यही था दैट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग पीपल, अगर आप किसी भी साधारण व्यक्ति से पूछेंगे व्हाट इज़ योर हेयर प्रॉब्लम, कई बार वी डोंट नो व्हाट आवर हेयर प्रॉब्लम इज. लेट्स आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
अच्छा, हाउ इज दैट?
आप सी टुडे व्हेन यू आस्क मी अबाउट माय स्किन, आई कैन टच फील एंड टेल यू कि मेरी स्किन ऑयली है, ड्राई है, सेंसिटिव है, मुझे रैशेज हो रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई. समटाइम्स टचिंग माय हेयर आई विल ओनली नो द 3-4 बेसिक थिंग्स. कई बार अरे यार मेरा बाल ड्राई हो रहा है, बाल गिर रहे हैं. These are the only things that you will kind of be able to relate to. कि moisture कम है, dryness है. People won't be able to tell you extremely detailed analysis on their hair. And वो चीज़ जब आप product के ज़रिए से you understand that moisture is a very big factor that people understand कि बाल dry तो ज़रूर हो रहा है. So moisture was a very obvious product we wanted to launch because it addresses a very large ecosystem. Argan जब हमने शुरू किया 7 साल पहले, इसकी रिसर्च की, 5 साल पहले प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया, तो Argan was very new to India. Today it's a very common story, but 5 years ago Argan was extremely unheard of in use when it comes to hair regime. So, or probably more limited in terms of use. And we worked on it and made sure that the availability is there, people are educated, people start using. So journey शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई to address 2 core problems and then kind of get into more specific solution driven.
सो आई एम श्योर कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम तो ज़रूर आई होगी बिकॉज आप एक हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लेकर आ रहे हो जो मार्केट ऑलरेडी फ्लडेड है बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्रांड से, एंड यू आर कमिंग इन टू सेलॉन्स, यू आर नॉट जस्ट एन ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस की इंस्टाग्राम पे एक एड चला दी और हमको सेल्स आ गए, वैसा भी नहीं है. तो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू ब्रेक इन टू दैट मार्केट?
So salons are the toughest market for 2 reasons. One is that they're completely quality driven.
ओके.
You're talking to the stylist and the salon directors and hair educators in a way who are going to research your product thoroughly before they themselves approve it, before they start endorsing it to their end customer. Now probably you must be going to the same person, Chavi, to cut your hair or style your hair, who you must be used to.
Yeah.
Now that person for you becomes your immediate hair doctor.
Absolutely. 20
Right?
years, yeah.
20 years, there you go. So when that person tells you, Chavi, आपके बाल में ये तकलीफ है, दिस इज अ सोल्यूशन आई फील इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, यू विल लिसन टू दैट सजेशन. सो द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द पर्सन सजेस्टिंग इट टू यू इज़ फार ग्रेटर. एंड जब वो अगर आपको कोई चीज़ सजेस्ट कर रही है या कर रहा है, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट दे हैव टेस्टेड द प्रोडक्ट. तो हमारे लिए जर्नी ये थी कि शुरुआत में टू विन इन द ट्रस्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी एट लार्ज हु विल यूज़ द प्रोडक्ट, बिकम आवर advisors also, become our sounding board also, become our experts also, who will tell us what's working, what's not working, and exactly what are the problems that they are seeing that they want us to solve. So we kept that very open कि it's not only company saying कि हमको ये आप बताइए, it's also about you saying कि यार ध्रुव ये 50 तकलीफें हैं या ये 5 तकलीफें हमको हो रही है, what can you solve? So अगर we are addressing a solution, then I feel that there is a long term outcome that you will get. तो ये जब हमने सैलॉन की शुरुआत की, डेफिनेटली इट वाज टफ. It is still a market that is largely dominated by Western and European companies.
So when you started, did you start with the salon?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We've been offline for the first 3 years and online only for the last 2 years.
Okay.
So
Wow.
our journey was completely salon driven from the day KT was incepted.
So इसका कोई reason था that you didn't choose to?
Absolutely, because our products are designed for professional care, and professional care, that was the route. And a lot of people don't look at salons as a area, but I think 5 साल पहले वो एक phenomena था ना, D2C online, only online first. But I think we stuck to our core to say नहीं, offline first, because that's where the real consumer is. That's where people are going. Salons are important, have only become more important. पहले कहावत थी ना छवि, घर में शादी है तो हम सैलून जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
आज पड़ोसी घर में बच्चे का 3रा जन्मदिन है, हम सैलून जा रहे हैं. Right? So the use of salon is also that frequent, and rightly so.
Yeah.
Right? Because people today need that styling, need that care, need that attention, need that personalization.
Correct.
So जब ये चीज़ें हो रही है, then you need to communicate to the real customer. And today, as you said, कि 20 साल से there's one person who's styling you. तो एक तरीके से वो आपकी एक sounding board है.
Yeah.
And,
It's like a marriage. I've been married 20 years. I've been going to the same stylist for 20 years. Also, the stylist has seen the journey that my hair has been through also over the years ना. तो
Correct.
उसे पता है कि पहले ऐसे थे, अब ये change आया है, तो अब मुझे ये करना चाहिए to make it healthy.
जी सो देयर यू गो सो देयरफॉर उनसे कम्युनिकेट करना और उनका ट्रस्ट जीतना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था. सो वी चोज दैट रूट एंड वी बिल्ट इनटू दैट इकोसिस्टम. यस, वी डिड मीट विद कोविड फॉर 2 years where salons were shut.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you, how did that go?
So that was, of course, a bit of a pot boiler time because 2020, 2021 were terrible. We all cut our hair at home, right? Salons
And
were largely
that time
shut.
you were not online.
We were not. We got only
Okay.
online in 2022.
Okay.
So it's just been 2.5 years since we've been online. And that for us was a very important journey to support the fraternity and work closely with salons because बहुत सारे business affect हुए थे. It's not only salons.
True.
But salons had a more lasting impact when it came to the business getting on halt because of that whole thing that
That
touch and
comfort
feel
area that
comfort
people-
area नहीं थी, restrictions थे, touch and feel, the whole social distancing factor
Correct.
comes in, and salon is a lot of touch and feel when you're dealing with hair and skin. There is a human interaction there. तो वहाँ पे जब ये changes आने लगी, salons also went into a bit of a nutshell to understand हम कैसे करें. But I think the fraternity at large, and it's a very small fraternity if you look at it that way. We've all supported each other. We've all helped each other. हमको जहाँ टाइम मिलता है, we stand up for each other and ensure that we are all singing one song which is the benefit of the fraternity. And वो ज़रूरी था. Of course government did its best to ensure that जो भी चीज़ें open की जा सके करे, but as a company we did have a bit of a setback for obvious reasons that was the area where we were selling. And फिर वहाँ से I think one thing led to another, and today there's a phenomena of D2C that cannot be ignored. आज आपके घर में भी 5 मिनट में ब्रेड आ रहा है और मिल्क आ रहा है. वी ऑल आर यूजिंग दोज चैनल्स of quick commerce for ease of living and fast supplies and deliveries. If you look at it at large, we are an FMCG product and it does require that kind of service. Shampoo आपके घर में साल में 12 बार आता है, हर महीने आता है, ख़त्म होता है, दोबारा आता है. So ensuring that supply chain and availability is quick is a very obvious business decision that we had to take. And we're doing that and ensuring that our products are made available to you on 6 minutes today that you can get it.
Okay. Can somebody please order a KT Professional product on any of the quick commerce platforms? We still have another 6 minutes to go. Okay, as a founder, when you decided कि मुझे ये business शुरू करना है, and I'm asking this for all those people who are also looking to be founders and want to start their own businesses, since you started such a daunting business and decided to enter a space which was already being ruled by big brands, what were the initial challenges that you faced?
So initial challenges, one is that if you, I won't call it a challenge, Havi. I'll say that it's very important that you need to be clear about what you're solving.
Okay.
If you have the belief
Yeah.
and self-conviction that you're here to solve a real problem,
Yeah.
these are not challenges, these are mini obstacles that you will overcome. It's all about your thought process and it's all about how you look at it. जब हमने इसमें enter किया, there was a big gap in the market because as I said, education उतना नहीं था, communication जो social media भी अभी 5 साल में जितना boom हुआ है that was
उतना
not
नहीं
there.
था.
At the same time lack of product था, so people were only using what is available and what they can kind of go in. Today if you now fast forward to the timeline of 2025, look at the number of brands, and it's great to see that today now we're talking the India story. We're talking of Indian hair care, we're talking of Indian brands, and there are so many that have made us all proud. And I think that is also important to appreciate what others are doing. There are multiple skincare companies today that have created revolution. There are luxury skincare companies that have opened outlets all across India and today are going international. And that is the India story, right? Today we are a country, and if we can't connect to our own people and solve our own people's problem, तो हमने क्या ही कर लिया? So I didn't look at it as a challenge. I looked at it as a problem that I'm dealing with, and there are many millions of people like me that are dealing with this. But somebody had to take a start, and we entered with absolutely open eyes, understanding that this is going to be a slow yet gradual process. But as long as you believe in what you're doing, और अगर आपके एंड गोल में एक इफेक्टिवनेस एंड हैप्पी कस्टमर आ रहा है, उससे ज़्यादा ब्लेसिंग और खुशी क्या होगी?
बट डिड यू एवर फील कि ये जो जैसे आपने बोला एजुकेशन नहीं है, उतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं है कि भाई मेरे बालों में डैंड्रफ की प्रॉब्लम है या मॉइस्चर कम है या प्रोटीन लॉस हो रहा है, मुझे तो शैम्पू चाहिए, ठीक है, और मोस्ट मैन बिलीव कि कंडीशनर, माई हस्बैंड स्टिल डजंट यूज अ कंडीशनर, उनको लगता है कि नहीं ये लड़कियों का प्रोडक्ट होता है. डिड यू एवर फील कि मेकिंग द कंज्यूमर अवेयर that your hair is a separate different kind of hair type and hence you need a different product, that kind of awareness building took some time and effort? Was it difficult?
It has taken time. It will continue further taking time because you only have to improve your communication with time. The ways you communicate will change. You have to adapt to newer ways and smarter ways of communicating. But ये communication देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब मुझे बताइए सल्फेट के बारे में आपने 5 साल पहले सुना. 6 साल पहले तो सल्फेट क्या था was extremely unheard of. Sulfate free word तो ये 5 साल में has become a coin word that everyone is now.
Absolutely. I think there were 2 categories कि एक है जो एकदम नेचुरल है, जो आप वो शिकाकाई मिला के उतना नेचुरल है जो घर में बना रहे हो, और एक है मार्केट बॉट. That's it.
So that education shift you're seeing in 5 years.
Yeah.
It has taken 5 years and I still say कि सल्फेट की बात तो अभी बहुत लोगों तक पहुंचनी बाकी है. Today attention span as consumers, मैं अगर बात करूँ on the other side of the table, is become only shorter and lower.
Yeah, 3 seconds.
3 seconds, that's it. You're scrolling. Today we're in a scrolling economy.
Yeah.
तो जब हम scroll कर रहे हैं, you have to either communicate and effectively put your message across in that 3 to 10 second window. पहले अगर आप ads और communications देखते थे 1 मिनट लोगों के पास टाइम था सुनने के लिए. Today in 30 seconds we're jittery. Even if you're on YouTube, right? You're waiting for the skip ad.
हाँ, correct.
You're just waiting for it to click and go forward because that's how impatient we are becoming because of the way we're consuming data and consuming information. There is so much more information out
Absolutely.
there. So I feel that you will just have to become effective communicators और आपको आपके points को लाखों लोगों तक पहुंचाना है. एंड ये जो कैरेटीन की बात है अभी भी लोग सीख रहे, जान रहे, समझ रहे. जो समझ चुके हैं वो कर रहे, जिनको समझना बाकी है दे आर अडेप्टिंग एंड दे विल लर्न. एंड आई थिंक that's a brand journey that will continue. You have to go on communicating what is important.
तो कभी ऐसा भी लगा है कि यार ये कहाँ हाथ घुसा लिया, छोड़ दो, too much stress?
मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछता हूँ on this question. कौन सा business easy है?
You're absolutely right.
Today even if you're selling water, which is मतलब essential to live, that also requires so much more communication and so much more marketing, so much more visibility and explaining why water A is better than water B and why you should use this or consume this brand of water. तो communication तो वो level पे जा रही है जिस पे हमारा जीवन है, air and water. तो I feel कि communication and every business has its own challenge and those challenges you have to look at it as in how you perceive it. If you see that as a challenge that is solving a problem, उसको वो तरीके से देखिए. If you look at it as a challenge that is hindrance between you and the end consumer, you have to look at it that way. And उसको overcome करना और उसकी क्षमता आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. And that is what will make you a good leader and a good orator or a good business communicator.
Amazing. There is so much to learn from you. Okay, what next for KT Professional?
Well, for KT Professional, the next has already arrived, which is KT Kids. And as I said, that KT Kids is a very large market. And I feel that it's a market that requires so much more communication that we're just beginning now. We have great people attached with the brand that are communicating this journey with us. Kareena Kapoor is the one communicating the journey for KT Kids. She's a lovely hands-on mother, a woman who has a fantastic career and is also extremely engaged in raising her kids. So using her communication platforms and having the right people communicate the brand further is so important. And that's the journey that we've taken forward with KT Kids. And we're a country of more than 140 crore people, Chavi. तो तकलीफ़ें तो बढ़ेगी. जैसे क्लाइमेट वेदर लाइफस्टाइल्स चेंज होगी, ये तकलीफ़ें तो बढ़ेगी. As a company, we have to only go on adapting, evolving, solving, not for the today, but for the tomorrow. So that is what is next for us, that while KT Professional and KT Kids have, started their journeys, tomorrow, as I spoke of men, and I think men care is also a very important segment that we are looking at. And eventually, vision to yahi hai, कि we can communicate and ensure that the product reaches as many as people as we can get it to within India. But then why should it only be in India and why should it not be across the world?
Wow.
So I think that's the next stage for us to ensure that the KT product should be on the shelves of Paris.
Well, I wish you all the best. और जाने से पहले एक लास्ट सवाल पूछूंगी बिकॉज ये मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि अगर आपको डैंड्रफ भी है, हेयर फॉल भी है और आपको फ्रिजी बालों की प्रॉब्लम भी है तो आपको 3 प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे.
तो इसमें एक होता है शैम्पू. where that will do your first level of cleansing. दूसरा होता है conditioning, that will bind your hair into where it needs to go. And then there are add-on products such as serums, which look after an immediate solution. And then also there is a regime of hair mask.
Okay.
And a hair mask is a regime that you may want to adapt owing to your problem, which should be used on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, which will only enhance your hair quality. तो ज़्यादा product use करना may not necessarily give you outcome, but knowing your problem and having an effective solution will give you the outcome. But today की regime में तो yes, shampoo, conditioner, a serum to ensure that your hair is fixed well at all times, and a mask if your problems are larger and more specific, then I think a mask also does the job. And because we are styling constantly.
So KT Professional is basically taking care of every problem that you can expect or imagine in the hair care
जी
world.
जी.
Do you also plan to go into skincare at some point?
Well, right now, hair is only such a large story
That's
that we
true.
have so much more work to do.
Yeah.
So we will continue sticking to our core and our ground, but never say never.
Absolutely. But आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, and there are a lot of things which I learned. I feel that I take very good care of my hair, and apparently I don't take care of it enough, because yes, I also do have a lot of these problems that you spoke about, and as per season, like you said, कि किसी season में लगता है कि itchy scalp हो गया है, किसी season में लगता है कि oily scalp हो गया है, and I've never thought about it in so much depth that I want to change my shampoo as per season. So thank you so much for all the insights that you gave us today, and also for all the people who are looking to be founders and start their own businesses. I think you also will have a lot to take away from Dhruv's journey. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.